You can greatly simplify each component of your platform if you create high-level appliance and system templates that we'll explain in this video. The first thing to know is that you can reuse each of your system templates in many appliances. So for example, here in this illustration, you can see that each one of these system templates is referenced by a single file, which is acm.yaml, that's the appliance file. So the system templates are often their own files and they're all reusable. The appliance template is just a few lines, maybe 3 or 4 or 5 lines that each reference one of the system templates. And the result is that your system templates are reusable. So if you've got 8 or 10 appliances in your entire platform, each of those appliances might reuse the same system templates, which can cause your whole platform to become much, much easier to operate and much, much less expensive to develop and maintain. Second, if you look inside each system, you can see that there are many different types of services that together are going to compose a system. So here we've got 2 examples of hypothetical system templates. One of them might have 2 different types of services that together define what the system is, and another might have 3 or even more different types of services that together interact with each other to comprise a system. The third thing to notice is that each type of service might have multiple instances. So here in this illustration, I'm clicking to show that you've got many different types of services, and each one of these types of services might have many different instances. Fourth, you also have the option of defining a foundation within a system template. And what a foundation does is to create shared things that are reused by all the different types of services. For example, you might want to define some common networking for the entire system and have all the different types of services interact with each other through the shared networking. You also might want to define image templates for different virtual machines and containers, different types of compute instances that are being reused in the different types of services. And you might want those image definitions to be defined inside a shared foundation. And there might be other things that you might want to put inside a shared foundation at your discretion. The fifth thing to notice about this whole picture here is that your pre-existing templates in other tools are orchestrated by each one of these types of boxes I laid out here. If you are a project manager, you might see these things as types of different boxes illustrating different types of things. If you're an engineer, you might see these things as objects. Each one of these objects or boxes is going to be referencing one of your pre-existing templates. So for example, you might have existing templates in CloudFormation or ARM templates or in Terraform or Packer or in other tools. And these pre-existing templates you already have are better organized when you use this set of modeling tools that are available. Very simple domain-specific language that an engineer could learn in an hour. When you use this very simple modeling tool, you're able to more effectively reuse all of the different components you already have. So it's a lot easier for you to organize your platform. It's a lot less expensive for you to develop and maintain your platform because you're reusing the different components of it. And if you take a step back and look at this whole picture, an appliance can be as simple as this. This is a way of looking into, for example, a toaster and seeing that inside the toaster, you've got something that plugs in the electricity. You've got something that modulates the electricity into current that's going to go to a heating element, and that's going to power a thermometer switch. And you've got a spring mechanism that's going to pop the toast up after it's heated to a certain amount. Different elements of the toaster are laid out in this picture of an appliance here, and it can be as simple to operate on a high level as that, so that your requirements definition process can become much, much easier and much better defined at a global level in your enterprise. Now that we've had a look at this domain-specific language, the next video will get into how you operate on these different elements with the command line interface that's made available by the Agile Cloud Manager. You can download the Agile Cloud Manager for free at agilecloudinstitute.io, and you can hire the Agile Cloud Institute to perform technical support, training, and consulting. You can get more information and you can contact us through agilecloudinstitute.io.